Do you feel like there is always so much to do and not enough time to get it all done? That you are never as on top of the housework as you'd like to be, and that you're just in this never-ending battle with your to-do list? Then it is time to flip the script on that feeling of, I can't stay on top of housework and my life. I'm Sharon Rowley from Mom of Six, and this is our first ever episode of Flip the Script, where I challenge you, my fellow busy mom, to take that script that runs through your head all the time saying, I can't keep up with the housework. Turn it around and give you a new way to think about it. Are you ready? Here goes. Idea number 1. Consider assigning tasks to specific days of the week so you don't even have to think about them until that day comes. Here's an example that I do. I tackle laundry on Monday mornings and Friday mornings at my house. And all week long, if the laundry is piling up, I don't even think about it because I know I'm going to get to it again either the next Friday or the next Monday morning. Now, I only assign 1 or 2 tasks to any day of the week so that my whole day is not filled up with housework chores. For me, on Mondays, I'll wash clothes. On Tuesdays, I will also wash the towels and the sheets in the house, and I'll do the grocery shopping. On Wednesdays, it's clean the bathroom day. On Thursdays, I tackle cleaning the upstairs part of the house, and on Fridays, the downstairs part of the house. So if my house is looking messy to me, I'm not going to worry about it because I know a day is coming up that I'm going to hit that tackle. Idea number 2 is to park these housework related tasks at the beginning of your day. Have you ever heard the expression, eat the frog? Mark Twain is the one that once said, if you eat a frog first thing in the morning, nothing worse is going to happen to you the rest of the day. And there's been entire management books written on that principle of eating the frog that says do that hardest thing first thing in the morning. Now, I am not saying that laundry is the hardest thing that you'll have to do all day, but it can be soul-sucking to have things hanging over your head all day long. So I suggest set your clock a little bit earlier, get out of bed before the kids, and get some of these housework-related tasks done and out of the way. Idea number 3 is to outsource. If someone else in the family can and should take this on as a chore, assign it. And then tell them when you expect to have it done. Now you can choose whether or not you're going to package that chore with a reward system if they do it, or a consequence if they don't do it. But assign it and tell them your expectation. Another idea to think about related to this is the idea of balancing time and money. Here's an example. I do all of my grocery shopping these days online. Yes, I pay about $25 when you add the delivery fee and the fact that I tip the driver, but that $25 saves me about 2.5 hours of time of having to drive to the store, pick out the items, load the cart, check it out, load up my car, come home and unload my car. That $25 is worth it for me. Tip number 4. Offer yourself the gift of grace and permission to not get it all done. You know, if your BFF showed up at your door and you were giving her a cup of coffee and she was saying to you, oh, my house is such a mess and I can't get things together, you wouldn't shame her. You would make her feel better. You would tell her it's okay. We all feel this way. So why do you shame yourself and beat yourself up? Treat yourself the same way that you would treat your BFF. Woo! So I hope those 4 tips would make you feel a lot better. So to recap, flip the script on that idea of feeling like you can't stay on top of housework. 1, assign tasks to specific days. 2, eat that frog, attack them first thing in the morning. 3, outsource when you can. And 4, offer yourself grace. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next episode of Flip the Script, where I'll be tackling the feeling that so many busy moms have. My family doesn't appreciate me and value everything that I do. I'll see you soon.